Hello and good morning, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This morning, I am going to show you a walk-around, startup, and drive video of this 1979 Ford F100 Custom. It is a freewheeling package. According to the Marty report, there was only 703 of these trucks built with this package. Freewheeling package B, it says. This truck has been completely restored. It has 34 miles on the restoration, according to the previous owner. This was a rust-free, don't quote me, I believe he said it was an Oregon truck. So the underneath this truck is very, very nice. He said I didn't have to put cab corners, didn't have to put rockers, didn't have to put floors in it. It was just that nice a truck to begin with. These trucks are super cool. I love them stripes and them yellow wheels. Holy cow, those things are awesome looking. They are extremely vintage. 302 automatic, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. Nice added touch with that roll bar. Does have a very nice spray-on, black spray-on bed liner in it. Body is super straight. Interior, all brand new. Headliner, sun visors, dash pad. It's just all very, very nice. Carpet's new. Like you got a new glove box liner. The guy said he done the whole truck, rotisserie restored, body frame off, I guess I should say, but it's pretty cool. There we go. Same way. Very nicely detailed under the hood. The glass is all in good shape. It does have one small little scratch right here. Sliding rear window. Dome light works. Horn works. Radio works. Wipers, headlights, dash lights, bright headlight indicator. I don't know if the bulbs are burnt out for there or what, but I'm gonna go out here and see if they're flashing. Side marker light, turn signal, tail light, license plate lights. What a sweet looking truck. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com. By the way, the AC belt is not on, so the AC is definitely not cold. It's a new compressor. Looks to me like we just need to put the belt on it. But we'll get that taken care of for you. Not a big deal. The engine, the transmission was all rebuilt on the trucks. New master cylinder, new brake booster, new brake lines, new fuel lines. Everything's been done to this little girl. I don't think that right signal's working. Have to get that fixed. The truck is super, super nice. It's got a small little scrape right here. It had one other small little scratch. Nope, that's not a scratch. That's just might have been a bird might have put a deposit on this one. I think that's it, honestly. This front piece has got a little scuff on that. A little scuff right here. I do have the Marty report. I have a bunch of paperwork, brochures, some cool stuff. I think they may be inside the truck. Open the door here and I'll see if I can show you those brochures. I had one with a picture of a truck just like this on the cover. Yep, here we go. There you go, right there. 79 freewheeling Ford trucks. Pretty cool. Kind of some neat history there. Just a darn nice truck. These things are going crazy too. People really love these 78, 79 Fords. And especially with one of these types of packages with it, they're super popular. So radio, blower motor works, wipers, horn, cigarette lighter does not. I pushed it in and did not pop out at me, so we're gonna say that's a no on that one. Had these old Fords knows they got a little bit of a wind leak from these wing windows, and it needs to be just pulled shut just a little bit tighter. There we are, going down the road, 65. Nice old truck, all the gauges work. Just a super, super high quality pickup. 79 Ford F100 freewheeling edition. Give us a call, 563-452-2450, www.kinionauto.com, KINION auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars and muscle cars every day. So give us a call if you're interested in buying this beautiful Ford F100 or maybe something else that we have in stock. We stock 150 to 200 cars. Give us a call. Again, 563-452-2450. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. And I'll talk to you guys very soon here.